Okay, so I have this Saab 9.5 and I knew I had a leak, exhaust leak at the turbo manifold, but I had no idea how bad it was. You look in here, you can see I'm missing a stud right here, and it's kind of hard to tell. Let's see if I can reposition this light, but down in here is actually a piece of the gasket. Let's see if I can zoom in. Come on. Very hard to tell. I'll have to start. There we go. That's a piece of the gasket that's blown out. So I gotta fix that. It's definitely a pain in the butt to get to. I gotta take all this off just to get to it. And it's just a pain. Yep. Big pain in the butt. Pretty gross down here, but I gotta remove the charge pipe. To do that, you take this screw out right here. Now this is the worst part. It's just like 1/4 turn at a time. If I can even get on this one, freaking A. I think that one's a different size. That one's a 12, I hope. But yeah, you guys get the point. I won't bother showing you the whole thing. I'll just go to when it's off. Okay, so I got everything nice and tight in here. I'm happy with that. Gotta get this back on. Start it up. Yeah, everything got all dirty because that leak was huge, so everything got covered in soot down here and nasties. Gonna have to give it a big cleaning. Alright, moment of truth. Will it start? I'd say everything's running good.